Good morning, my beautiful students. How are you today? Are you fine? Okay, that's good. Are you excited to start my own lesson for today, girls? Okay, let's start my own lesson for today, girl. But before starting, let me ask you about the day and the date. Who can tell me, girls, what's the day today? Today is Wednesday. So let's spell the word Wednesday together. Wednesday, and the date is 22/14/42 after Hijrah. Okay, girls? Now, let's take a quick revision before starting my own lesson for today, girls. Number 1, make 5 sentences using as plus adjective plus as. Number 1, she is as tall as Selma. I am as clever as my mother. 3. We are as fast as other group. 4. Ahmed is as short as Ali. 5. The cat is as cute as a fish. Okay, girls? Now, make 2 sentences using comparative adjective. Number 1, Amal is as Amal is taller than Ali. 2, Selma is shorter than Hind. Okay, girls? Now, here, ask and answer, girls. If I ask you, where are you from? I am from Saudi Arabia. How to spell the word Saudi Arabia? It's very important to know the spelling, girls. Saudiarabia. Okay, where are you from? I am from Saudi Arabia. Where do you live? I live in Taif. Okay, girls? Now, today, inshallah, we are going to start taking a new unit. Unit 3, lesson 1. It's about sports and activities. This unit is about sports and activities, page number 18 and 19. Please, girls, open your books, page number 18 and 19. Write the day with the date, then close your box, okay? Write the day with the date, then close your box, girls, okay? Then, I want you to open your notebook in the handwriting section, girls. Open your notebook in the handwriting section and copy these sentences, please. Number 1, what sports do you like? I like playing football and tennis. I like playing football and tennis. Okay? So, what's your favorite sport, girls? What's your favorite sport? You should say, my favorite sport is. Then say your favorite sport. For example, swimming. Okay? So, my favorite sport is swimming. Again, my favorite sport is swimming. What are your favorite sports? This means that you should say more than one sport. So you can say, my favorite sports are swimming and playing basketball. Again, what are your favorite sports? My favorite sports are swimming and playing basketball. Okay, girls? What's your favorite sport? My favorite sport is swimming. Here you should say only one sport, because my question is, what's your favorite sport? I only want one sport. Okay, girls? Now, we have here present continuous. Please, girls, you need to focus with me here. Here we have the personal pronoun I plus am. So I should use I am plus the verb with ing. Again, present continuous. We started with the personal pronoun I, then the verb to be am, plus the verb with ing. Again, I am plus the verb with ing. For example, I am learning English now. I am learning English now. So I am learning ing English now. Okay? Now here we have she, he, and it, singular personal pronouns, plus is. So she is, he is, it as. Okay, girls? She as, he as, it as, plus the verb with ing, plus the verb with ing. She is plus the verb with ing. He is plus the verb with ing. It is plus the verb with ing. For example, he is playing football. He is playing ing football. Okay, girls? Here we have they, we, and you. They are, we are, you are, plus the verb with ing. Okay, they are plus the verb with ing. We are plus the verb with ing, and you are plus the verb with ing. For example, they are jumping. They are jumping. Okay, girls? Now we have two types of sports, girls. We have two types of sports. Number one, we have common sports, and number two, dangerous sports. Again, we have common sports and dangerous sports. Okay, what are the common sports, girls, and what are the dangerous sports? Today, inshallah, we will learn common sports and dangerous sports. Okay, girls? So we have two types of sports, common sports and dangerous sports. Let's start with the first sport that we have today. So, what's she doing? What is she doing? She is playing what? Tennis. So, the first word in my lesson today is tennis. It's a common sport. Tennis. Tennis. She is playing tennis. Okay? Here, what's he doing? What is he doing? He is playing what? He is playing football. Let's spell the word football. Football. Okay? Football. So what's he doing? He is playing football. Okay, girls? Now let's see the third word or the common sport. What's he doing? He is playing what here? He is playing basketball. Let's spell the word basketball, girls, together. Basketball. Basketball. What's he doing? He is playing basketball. He is playing basketball. Okay, girls? Now, tennis, football, basketball. Then here, what's he doing? He is riding a horse. He is riding a horse. What's this sport? It's a horse riding. What is he doing? He is riding a horse. Okay, girls? He is riding a horse. He is riding a horse. So, what's this sport? It's a horse riding. What's he doing? He is riding a horse. Okay, girls? Now, what are they doing? What are they doing here? What are they doing, girls? They are playing volleyball. Volleyball. Let's spell the word volleyball. 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 So they are playing volleyball. They are playing volleyball. Again, they are playing volleyball. So the first common sport that we took today is tennis, 2, football, 3, basketball, 4, horse riding, and 5, volleyball. Okay, girls? Now, let's start taking the dangerous sports. What's this sport, girls? What's this sport? It's scuba diving. Again, scuba diving. What's this sport? It's scuba diving. What's this sport? It's scuba diving. It's scuba diving, girls. SCUBA DIVING. It's scuba diving. It's inside the sea or inside the water. Okay, girls? Scuba diving. Now, what about this sport? What's this sport? It's a dangerous sport. It is skydiving. It is skydiving. SKYDIVING. So it's skydiving. It's skydiving. We dive in the sky. Okay? It's skydiving. Number 3. What's this sport? It's a dangerous sport, girls. We call it hang gliding. Hang gliding. It's hang gliding. Let's spell the word hang gliding. HANG gliding. Again, it's hang gliding. So the first dangerous sport we took today, scuba diving, skydiving, hang gliding. And here, what is this sport? It's bungee jumping. It's bungee jumping. Again, it's bungee jumping. PUNGEEJUMPING. It's bungee jumping. So what's this sport? It's bungee jumping. BUNGEEJUMPING. Okay. The last dangerous sport that we will take today is rock climbing. Rock climbing. So what's this sport? It's rock climbing. It's rock climbing. Okay, girls? ROCKCLIMBING. It's rock climbing. Okay, girls? Now, قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم علموا أولادكم السباحة والرماية وركوب الخيل. What did you understand from this hadith? We understood that we have to teach our children how to swim, how to ride horses. Okay, girls? Now, open your books, please, girls. Open your box. Page number 18 and 19. Page number 18 and 19. And listen, please, girls. And listen.
Unit 3. Sports and activities. Finding out time. Exercise 1. Listen, point, and practice. Common sports. Tennis. Football. Basketball. Horse riding. Volleyball. Tennis. Football. Basketball. Horse riding. Volleyball. Dangerous sports. Scuba diving. Skydiving. Hang gliding. Bungee jumping. Rock climbing. Scuba diving. Skydiving. Hang gliding. Bungee jumping. Rock climbing.
Okay, girls, now ask your partner and get the real answer. We will do this exercise, girls, together in my own life. We will do this exercise together. What sport or activity do you like? You should answer this together, girls, with me in my life. Okay, girls? Now let's move to challenge time. We will also do this exercise together in my life, girls. We will do this exercise together in my life. Now, let's see the homework that we have in our activity book. In our activity book, girls, page number, please open page number 87 and 88. 87 and 88. Here, I want you to copy, listen and practice, then copy. Listen, girls, now.
Goal 17. I can ask and answer 2 questions about sports and activities. 1. Listen and practice. 1. What sport do you like? I like tennis.
So, girls, here, I want you to copy, I like tennis here. You should copy, I like tennis. Number 2.
2. What sport does Omar like? He likes horse riding.
He likes horse riding. Copy this sentence. He likes horse riding. Now read and answer the questions. Circle yes or no. Do you like sports? Answer yes or no. Do you play tennis? Answer, girls, yes or no. Can you ride a horse? Answer, girls, yes or no. Okay, girls? Now here, read and match with the pictures. Read and match with the pictures. I want you to look at the pictures and see the words here. Then match the letters with the pictures. Okay, girls? Now listen and practice.
Goal 18. I can.
Here. What sports does Jimmy like? He likes snowboarding. What sport does Omar wants to try? He wants to try rock climbing. Okay, girls? So please, girls, don't forget to do this homework. Page number 78 and 88. Okay, girls? Okay, girls? So this is the end of my own lesson today, girls. Thank you for listening and watching, and see you next time. Goodbye, girls. Goodbye.